guys, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys, so make my stuff. This video will be showing recommends for products. Anyway, so this is whatever, you know what I mean. This is recommended products. I will show you how to do it. This is my thing. I will show you what to use for skincare first. I'm not gonna put it on. I will put the makeup on, but the skincare I won't. So the first thing I would use, you guys can pick any brand. I'm gonna show you what to use. This is what I recommend. Is this first, use your Drunk Elephant Moisturizer. You know, I'll just put this stuff on. So you put this Drunk Elephant Moisturizer on your face. I'm almost out. I'm gonna get some more. It's very expensive. $25 for this little thing. So, Drunk Elephant is a really good brand. But, anyway, just rub that in. Okay. Okay, after that, you're gonna want to get your Glow Recipe Toner. Love it. I kind of made a mess, but no one will know, right? No one's gonna know. Anyway, just like that. It smells like watermelon. Just rub it in all over your face. Your face looks shiny. Okay, your toner, which you need toner. After that, you're gonna use eye cream, Laneige. I'm not putting this stuff on. And if you have pimples, get Starface. Such a good brand. And now we're gonna move on to makeup. Next is this Hyper Real Max Serum I got from Nordstrom. Sorry, but oops, don't do that, guys. Anyway, a little pump like that. You don't want to waste serum, y'all. Serum is so good for your face, though. Everyone has to have serum. If you don't have serum, your face is just gonna be dried out. I just started using makeup, but I am a professional a little bit at it, because I kind of know what to do. And this thing, I know it's all true what I'm doing today. I know some of my friends watch me on here, so hi guys. But this is all for beginners. You can all order this stuff online. I'll order this online. So, yeah. Next is this Aura Rouge, another serum, less serum. You don't have to wear it, but I choose to wear it. It's like a little, gives you a tiny little tan, like that. But like that on each of your face. It smells so good too. It's like cherry blossom. Anyway, I did that. It's gonna shiny. Do your face like that. Bobbi Brown. Use your Bobbi Brown foundation. You just has to come off this easy. That's how you know it's a good foundation. Bobbi Brown is the best brand, I'm sorry, to use, because it is. And you're gonna get a beauty blender. Some people, if you want, you can use one of these brushes, but I wouldn't do it. Just use a beauty blender, y'all. It does the same freaking thing. You can get in your nose a little bit. If you want to, that's optional. Okay, now look how tan your face looks. You have to find your skin color, so you might want to have a parent or something like that help you if you're young, or if you go to a beauty store or whatever. Help you find your color, but that has to be cleaned now. Always clean your beauty blenders after you use them, guys. Now your face is gonna look like this. You're gonna wait like a minute to let it dry, so I don't do that. So it's not gonna do anything though. So next, I absolutely love this brand. Next is your Bobbi Brown blush. These are hard to open. Okay, all you're gonna do is don't do this. A lot of people do this. No, you're gonna look like a clown. Just do this. Just like that. My cheeks are already red, so I don't really need that much. Like that. Anyway, after that, you're gonna want to use the same brush. It's not gonna hurt anything. You can do this if you want. Clean it up. Bobbi Brown. I love this brand. Oh my gosh, Bobbi Brown bronzer. All you do is take a little bit. That again. On your nose. Yeah, so brown. Under your blush for a little bit. Okay. Look, pretty hot. After that, you can put right here a little bit too, if you want. Next is your eyes. You can use. Next, I'm gonna be using. Let's see, this is. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow stick. Look how pretty. All you do is close your eyes, rub it in. It's so glittery. You can sort of see it, but good difference. Oh crap. Look at that, pretty, huh? I'm gonna put it back. Goes shiny. Anyway, after your eyeshadow stick, you are going to want. Hold on. After that, you're going to want this gel eyeliner, Bobbi Brown. Pretty. What I'm gonna do? Just rub it in like that, under your or above your eyelash. Just a little bit, like that. And this.